Introduction: The Ultimate Summer Vacation Guide. Are you ready to escape the heat and explore some of the most breathtaking places on Earth? Whether you dream of relaxing on a white sandy beach, hiking through stunning mountains, or diving into vibrant city life, we've got you covered. Welcome to our ultimate guide to the best summer vacation destinations. Whether you're looking for breathtaking beaches, cool mountain getaways, or vibrant city escapes, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top tourist destinations for summer vacations, perfect for adventure seekers, nature lovers, and those looking for a relaxing break. Stay tuned as we take you through the best travel spots worldwide, fun activities, travel tips, and budget-friendly options. In this video, we are taking you on a journey to the top summer vacation destinations that will leave you speechless. From the tropical paradise of Bali to the romantic sunsets of Santorini, the luxury of the Maldives, and the adventure-filled landscapes of Switzerland, there's something for everyone. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and let's explore the world's best summer getaways together. Stay tuned till the end for pro travel tips to make your summer trip unforgettable. Bali, Indonesia. The tropical paradise Bali is one of the most sought-after summer destinations, offering a mix of stunning beaches, lush forests, and cultural heritage. Top attractions: Uluwatu and Tanah Lot temples, the famous beaches, Seminyak, Kuta, and Nusa Dua waterfalls, and rice terraces in Ubud, scuba diving and snorkeling in the crystal clear waters. Why visit? Perfect for adventure lovers and beachgoers. Affordable luxury resorts and villas, a mix of culture, nature, and nightlife. Santorini, Greece, the dreamy island getaway. Greece, if you're looking for whitewashed villages, blue dome churches, and spectacular sunsets, Santorini is a must-visit. Top attractions: Ia and Pira for the best sunset views, Red Beach and Kamari Beach for a relaxing day by the sea, wine tasting at local vineyards, boat tours to volcanic islands. Why visit? Romantic getaway spot, amazing Mediterranean food and wine, picture perfect scenery, Switzerland. Escape to the cool Alps for those who prefer cool weather in summer. Switzerland's stunning landscapes are a dream come true. Top attractions: Jungfrau Joch, top of Europe, Lake Geneva and the charming Montreux, the Matterhorn and Zermatt for breathtaking mountain views, adventure spots like hiking, paragliding, and skiing. Why visit? Perfect for a cool summer retreat, scenic train rides and luxurious stays, a mix of adventure and relaxation. Maldives, a luxurious beach escape. The Maldives is the ultimate beach destination, offering pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious overwater villas. Top attractions: snorkeling and diving in coral reefs, private island resorts with infinity pools, dolphin watching and underwater restaurants, sunset cruises and spa experiences. Why visit? Best for honeymooners and luxury travelers, perfect for water sports and relaxation, paradise for nature lovers. Tokyo, Japan, a vibrant summer city break. Japan, for those who love city adventures, Tokyo offers an unbeatable mix of culture, technology, and history. Top attractions: Shibuya Crossing and Shinjuku nightlife, Sensoji Temple and Meiji Shrine for cultural experiences, Disneyland and Disney Sea for family fun, Mount Fuji day trips for nature lovers. Why visit? A perfect blend of tradition and modernity, amazing food, sushi, ramen, and street eats, unique shopping and entertainment experiences. Travel tips for a perfect summer vacation: book early to get the best deals on flights and hotels, pack light and smart for the summer weather, set a budget and explore free attractions, capture the memories but also live in the moment. That wraps up our top summer vacation destinations list. Whether you want to relax on a tropical beach, explore cultural cities, or enjoy the cool mountain air, there's a perfect summer destination for you. Which destination is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel